You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to see moon data on your iPhone. Open the weather app that comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you do not see your current location's forecast, tap the list icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the plus sign to add your city if needed. Once viewing your local weather, swipe up on the main forecast screen to scroll down and reveal more detailed information. Continue scrolling past the hourly forecast and the 10-day forecast until you reach a section labeled Moon. In this dedicated Moon section, you will see a graphical illustration of the Moon's current phase for your location. Below the image, you will see precise data including the moonrise time, the moonset time, and the exact percentage of the moon that is currently illuminated. You can also scroll horizontally through the timeline at the bottom of this moon section to see how the moon phase and its rise and set times will change over the next several days. To see moon data for a different city, go back to the list view in the weather app, select that other city, and then scroll down to its moon section. This feature provides a quick astronomical reference directly within your standard weather application. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.